It's an exciting day today. We've been waiting quite a long time for this. So something very big and very heavy is being delivered today. And we've been waiting a while for this thing. Do not make large purchases very often. In fact, I can't remember when the last time we spent this amount of money was. It's been quite a long time. But this is something that is going to be very important for us. So what is it? Well, it is our new wood stove. It's something that we have been just so excited to have here. And it's almost heating season, so we need to get this thing going. We wanted to make sure it was here in plenty of time. I have a lot of work to do in the basement where we're going to be putting it to prepare the space and build a hearth and a back, whatever, brick or stone background to it and all that kind of good stuff. We're going to have a guy come out and professionally install the chimney for it. But let's take a look, see what we've got coming. It's just pulling in here. So this thing weighs a lot, right?
Almost 600 pounds.
Almost 600 pounds?
Yeah, 600 pounds.
Oh my. Hi.
And they don't slow down until the last minute. Sorry, I didn't try.
Well, the tip and tell isn't going to be accurate since it was not attached to the box. It looks beautiful. There's some shipping damage on it right here. This little piece of sheet metal, but that's pretty flimsy, so I can straighten that out with no issues. But everything else looks good. They must have cinched this metal strap down so tight that it just bent that right there. So, but it's beautiful. Is the sneak peek. Not only is this a wood stove, but it will also allow us to cook. That's exciting. We've been waiting a long time for this, and I just can't wait to have that nice little wood stove set up in the house. Let me show you where we're putting it inside, and kind of some of the projects and plans that will be upcoming on the channel over the next month. So down here in the corner of our basement, we have a kind of a tri-level house here. So we've got the grade outside is about this high, so this is all below grade here. So the wood stove is going to go right in this corner. That's kind of a mock-up of about the size of it, and it'll sit right there. And then the stovepipe's going to have to go out this wall. This goes right outside, and then it'll have to go all the way up on the outside of the house. So it's not going to be pretty on the outside of the house, but it's what we got to do to get some good heat in here and also allow us to cook with wood. So the plan is to build a kind of a hearth around this whole area here. I'll be working on that. I've got kind of a unique idea that I haven't seen before, and my wife and I have been kind of bouncing some ideas around, so we're going to do some videos on that. And I'm also going to do like a backsplash or backdrop or back wall behind the whole thing that'll be tiled. We'll put like a mantle in the corner here, and so this will be a whole thing we're going to start working on here pretty soon, so look for videos on that. So just a quick teaser video today. We're super excited to get this thing set up and installed, and I can't wait to take you guys along. I will have more information on the actual stove. We'll do kind of a full walkthrough of all the features, the brand, where I got it, why I chose it, and all those things in a separate video once I kind of get it in place here and I can show you how it all works. So look forward to that as well. So lots of fireplace stuff coming up here soon, but just a quick little teaser today. So as always, guys, thumbs up on the video, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.